guys, here's Little Vacuums here. Today we have an old favorite that I finally brought home to the new home. Look at the momentum and the V10 over there. So yeah, we're going to give the Old Faithful a run. Put a new belt in her. Look how shiny that base is. And we're going to go ahead and give her a run. So let's sounds good. Well, yeah, y'all, it really works really good. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little quick vac. If you did, please like or comment, subscribe for more, turn on push all notifications so you get notified every time I upload and go live. So that's all for all notifications. Cheers with Vacuums here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.